KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, good morning, viewer. I don't know where you're watching me from. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. KG Auto, welcome to my YouTube channel. What do we have here? 2011 is a Chrysler Town County. I'm going to be replacing the radiator. In Africa, we pronounce all the syllables, say radiator. But in America, it's a radiator, so that's what it is. That's what we're going to be doing this morning. Please, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. That's the only way you can support me. I love you for subscribing. If you don't subscribe anyway for watching my channel, I still love you, but I would really like you to subscribe and like the video as well. That's what we're going to be doing. I have my radiator. I bought it about $156, somewhere around there from Arch. Then we have two antifreeze to go with it. And this is the radiator. In case you want to get one, that's a part number. So to do this job, you have to take off the bumper. The bumper of the car has to come out. To do it effectively. Oh God, that's a big word. Effectively? Do I even know what that means? I'm just joking. So that's the way you're going to do it. We take off the front bumper. Once you take off the front bumper, the radiator will be on your face. So I'm going to bring you guys along. I took off the front bumper already. Then I'm going to show you the rest thing we have to do to get this job going. Having said that, KG, shout out to Brooklyn, Big Shirley. Let's go. We're doing it right now. Booyah.
Big Shirley. Hey girl, how you doing?
All right, so you can see the bumper is off already. We're going to take off this guy, cause we're going to move all this guy out of here. So I get my 10. Where were you? Where did I put that boy now? Yeah, how you doing, sir? Where can you what? Where can you what?
What? I said you're working on it.
I'm sorry?
Working on it.
Yeah, I'm working, yeah. You were going to ask me what now?
I was going to ask you, I had an oil leak.
Oh, so you come back later. Yeah, you come back later. We'll check it for you. All right, sir. No problem. So these are the bolts you have to take off. I get my little magnets. A good mechanic will always have a magnet so that you don't lose your bolts. Yes, sir. That's true. So these are our 10 bolts. You just take it off. Because we're going to move this thing out of here to the other side. We take off this. Bracket, take off that. If you are a mechanic, make sure you have this. This is very good. It will make your job go easily. Makes your job go pretty easy and faster. So you lift up this like so. See, like this. Then there's a little hook here, a little rubber. You lift up that. Then you can move this whole thing down here like so. See, that one is out of your way. Now you take off this little plastic here, this guy right here. Take that off, put that aside. See, now you can see the radiator. We're going to take off that clip. Take off this. We don't want to lose anything. We'll put this here. Just like so. Then we're going to take off this clip right here. Take off this, then we'll bring out this. We'll bring out this O unit. All right, let me grab this. This is very good to take off a radiator clamp. I bought this from Amazon. You just push this just like so. You grab it, move it backward. So the reason why I like this, it has like a clip. Anytime you push it, it kind of squeeze it. You don't have to force it. You don't have to eat African food to do all of that. KG, sometimes, you just have to joke around. I work, but don't take yourself too seriously. It's life. Enjoy. I love what I do, and I enjoy while I'm working. Like to check some jokes too, stories and all of that. Anyway, so we take off this guy right now, just like so. This one don't have no screw, just this guy right here. You just pull it up, you go in the slot. Put that aside. Then voila, the whole thing is here. We're going to take off this clip. Let me bring the camera so that you guys will know what we'll take off this guy right here. There's another one at the bottom there. We'll take off that. So to release this one, you just push this tab inside. You pull out this. This whole unit is going to come out. Okay? Let me do that, then I'll bring you guys back so we don't make the video too long. All right, KG, stick with me. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you subscribe. That's what I'm saying. KG will be right back. So in this radiator, it has the two sockets. There's one coming right here, two onyx. One is coming right here, and this one is coming underneath here. So this one don't have no red tab. This one has a red tab. See that red tab there? So when you want to take it out, you have to unlock this first. Don't yank it out or you're going to break that. You just use like a flathead screwdriver, put this up, then you press this, and this whole thing will come out. Once this come out, then this whole fan is out. Then we'll put this fan, we'll put it aside. All right, so now the radiator, we can see it clearly right now. We're gonna disconnect. There's a hose right here. I can't be walking at the same time showing it, but I'll show it to you. See that hose right here? The bottom one, we're gonna disconnect that. Once we disconnect that, then we'll come right here. We'll separate this guy from here. This guy, we'll separate this guy. The same at underneath too. Once we do all of that, then the radiator, I believe, it should be on its way out, just like so. Questions or comments, please don't hesitate. All right, stay tuned. So there's a little mechanism here to undo this this radiator right here. There's a little clip. It goes inside. This radiator goes inside here. You just use like a plier just to grip it. You pull it out. Then there's 8 bolts behind this radiator, or 10 I mean. Once you do all of that, then this thing should be on its way out. You just grab it like so. Lift that boy, make your way through. You're gonna fight. Make sure you eat some African pounded yam. Just like so. The boy is out. So this is the mechanism I was talking about. Over here and over here. Take off that. Then at the bottom as well. See over here? So this condenser is coming right on top right here. You just push this guy, then that thing will come out. So on the back, on the front of the radiator, right? So I need to explain this. So for you to get the coat out, you just push this inside like so. Push this inside like so, then you slide out. So underneath, you just go on the slot, so it's easy. Once you get that out, don't forget to put this guy back in the new radiator so that the condenser will be touching the new radiator. And let me make sure, okay, right at the bottom there on the radiator, so there's a hose coming here, a little, let me bring it out and show you. I said a hose, not a hose. You see this guy right here? This is the radiator sitting. So should in case you pull out the radiator, you have to make sure you check. So sometimes it might come out with the radiator, sometimes it doesn't. But make sure you check, and this is very important because that's where the radiator sits. If not, when you're driving your car, the radiator will be dancing up and down, and it won't last. Okay? Question, comment? So that's it. We're gonna get this guy out, bring the new one, we'll match it up, make sure everything is okay. At the meantime, I'm gonna try to clean up my working place. There's antifreeze on the ground here. So stay tuned. KG will be right back. So this is the new radiator. Please don't mind me. I'm gonna wash the antifreeze off. So it's the same thing as you can see. So like I said, just make sure you take off this guy right here and put it on the, push this guy, take that off, because it's very important, because if you don't put it, like I said, your radiator might not last. So there's a little clip right here. So put this one as well on this side. It goes one way, I believe, just like so. So there you have it. That's a new radiator. As a pin, you push that thing down. There's a little pin here. You push this thing down like so. So the thing can clip better. Can't hold it with my one hand. Doing the other thing. There we go. We just want to make sure that it sits good. Okay, so just like so. See, now it's not falling off. So just like so, we're going to go back in there. We'll put it in and bada boom, bada boom. The job is done. Anybody can do this, even my grandmother. Okay, you got a joke, man. Of course, want to make people laugh as you're watching the video. All right, we'll go back in just like so.
And this one is radiator for transmission, right?
That's the condenser. Don't know where you get transmission from. That's the condenser for the AC. Where you get transmission from, sir? There's no transmission radiator. It's a condenser. So when you're using your AC, you can enjoy the summer. Okay, so.
For AC?
Yes, sir. All right, KG is going to do this behind the camera because obviously I'm blocking the whole thing. It don't make sense. All right, so like I wanted to show you guys, see that bolt right here? Yeah, that's the only bolt holding that. So everything is back on. Just make sure this thing's not good. All of that, it's not good. At the bottom here, make sure this thing's not good because they are all clips. So once you do all of that, the radiator is sitting right now. Sorry about the shaking video. We just bring, we can put the fan in, then put the rest things. And just bring the fan just like so. Put the fan back in there. Yep. So maybe on your way down, you can just put this one in if you want, so that you don't have to fight with it. Or you can still make your way there. But I believe I can make my way there. The fan goes in just like that. There's a lot of stuff on the way, so sometimes you have to like fight your way. All right, so once the thing goes in there, it's just a clip. Just make sure the thing is sitting right on the lock. Let me use my light to double check it. You can't see what I'm doing, but yep, sit right there. I don't want to sit right there. You just push it down. That's it. You don't have no screw, nothing. Just push it down just like so. So now we can come here now, connect this stuff back in here. One is going on down underneath, you remember? Just push that boy in there. A beautiful day in New York City today. Yeah, that's now. Once you hear that, you press the lock down to lock it. That red tab. There we go. That's it. Then we'll push this in here, just like so. Plug that in there. Then this thing has a little clip that you have to push it underneath here. That one is broken. So that's pretty much it. Then we're gonna bring the bottle. At this time you can bring the bottle. You just push it just like so at the side here. Go right there. No bolts needed. Everything is locked. You just push it down and make sure you sit proper. And you lock it down. Ah, yeah. Yep. So that's it. That one sit right there. Then this one comes right on top here. Push this guy in here, just like so. And push this guy in here, just like so. Then you push this guy in here, just like so. Then that's it. Then we're gonna bring this boy. At this time, I can put this hose right here, so I can just finish up everything. And I use my amazing clamp to do that. Push this guy. This is very good. Like I said, invest your money. The best thing you can ever do for yourself. Invest on yourself, my brother. That is the best thing that you can ever do for yourself. All right, so that one is there. Then we just bring this guy back. Let's bring this clip. This one goes on top of here. Don't forget that. Yep, this one goes on top of here just like that too. This one don't have no bushing. The bushing is missing. The rubber, I mean to say. So, anyway, that's it. Put this guy back here like so. Then we'll put the bolts back in. All the bolts back in. Like so. There's two coming right here. I think those ones was a little shorter though. I ended up taking the wrong one, this one. Yeah. But anyway. So that's, I'll put this tree here. I didn't show the bumper when I was taking off the bumper, but at least I explained earlier on before. Okay, so that's it. We're just gonna crush this down. Everything. That's it. So now we just put I took out this because sometimes, you know, you'll be so busy. I've broken something like that before on a car. If you haven't made the mistake, keep working. You know, this thing is very fragile. So I learn my mistake. Anytime I'm working, I just take it out because it's very easy to break. So we're going to put some antifreeze on the inside and we'll start this car. I don't have to show the bumper. You know, you guys saw it. It's just one bolt and, you know, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, KG, be right back. We'll start this car, get to the road. So I just put some antifreeze inside. So we're going to start the car like this first. Check it, make sure there's no leak. And we'll put the bumper and that'll be it. So until next time, please make sure you subscribe and support your boy in any way you can. I will really appreciate that. I'll see you on the next one, KG. Bingo, we are gone.